Common large fungi that we encounter in everyday life include mushrooms and wood ear fungi. Let's observe the internal structures of mushrooms and wood ear fungi and understand their function. What we commonly call mushrooms are actually the fruiting bodies of large fungi. Their primary role is to release mature spores, which function as reproductive organs. Typical structures of the fruiting body include the cap, stalk, gills, and spores. Next, let's use the microscope to observe a slice of the mushroom, specifically the gill area. You will notice that the gills appear as a series of folds with ridge-like projections. These ridges are arranged in a radial pattern around the stem. The surface of the gills is covered with numerous oval or round spores. Wood ear fungi is typically blackish-brown or dark brown and has a flattened or ear-like shape with a surface that shows fine wrinkles. It is rich in protein, fat, carbohydrates, and various vitamins and minerals, making it highly nutritious. Modern nutritionists often praise it as a meat substitute in the vegetarian diet. Wood ear is a large gelatinous fungus, and unlike mushrooms, it has a unique gelatinous fruiting body, which gives it its elastic texture. Through the microscope, we can observe the mycelium of the wood ear as well as the extensive gelatinous fruiting body. Like mushrooms, the surface of the wood ear's fruiting body is covered with numerous oval or round spores. Mushrooms primarily grow in soil rich in organic matter, especially on forest floors, grassy areas, and environments with abundant humus. They are important decomposers, breaking down organic materials in the soil and converting them into inorganic substances, thus promoting nutrient cycling. Wood ear fungi mainly grows on decaying wood, particularly on dead branches or trunks of broadleaf trees such as locust trees, birch, and willow. It is an important wood-decaying fungus that breaks down cellulose and lignin in wood, aiding in converting organic material into inorganic substances and promoting nutrient cycling. Wood ear also contributes to ecological balance and thrives in moist environments, typically growing well in warm and humid conditions.